Hello viewers, welcome to Monkey to Man. In this video we are going to see about the Fire Red Pokemon additive game. We already put the installation. Let's see the part 1.
Чем горел и во что верил, знаю, почему ты был в отделе. Знаешь, я не меньше твоего хотел бы видеть, как дорогу светят фары с класса 6 и 3 летит по трассе наш зеленый, общий красный левый номер, новый паспорт в дальнем свете.
Hey, look everybody else, let's play Pokemon Fire Red version. I'm Nirma. Let's go into the game. Okay, these are the controls. You should obey this. And go into. If you want to read this or else no need. I didn't read this and this is all your controls. I'm starting from the beginning for you. So give a like. Okay, this is a like summary, I think. Okay, it is summary and instructions, codes, all as given. Hello there, glad to meet you. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Oak. Okay. People affectionately refer to me as a Pokemon professor. This world is inhabited for and ride by creatures called Pokemon. Okay, very good. For some people, Pokemon are pets, others used to for battling. Okay, understood. As for myself, I study Pokemon as a profession. Well, I like it. But first, tell me a little about you. Now tell me, are you a boy or are you a girl? Definitely, I'm a boy. Okay, boy. Let's begin with your name. What is it? Okay, let's keep normal. Oh, I think we can keep some different name. I am thinking what we can keep. I think we can keep Red. Okay. No, I'm feeling bad, so I'm keeping Stock. Okay, K Stark. Okay, this is only my name. I'm going to give okay. Right, so your name. Okay, give S. This is my grandson. He has been your rival since you both were babies. Okay, very good. What is his name now? I select Gary. So very nice. It was Gary. That's right. I remember now. His name is Gary. Okay. Good to see. Gary. Okay, Stock. Your very own Pokemon legend is about to unfold. A world of dreams and adventures with Pokemon. Let's go. Yes, come, let's go. I think this is my house. Okay, let's sleep. Oh, okay, let's go to my mother and ask about myself. Okay, Mom, right, all boys will leave home someday. I said it was today. Oh yes, okay, very easy. So let's go to Professor Oak's lab and get a Pokemon and go on to a journey. Okay. Go. Okay. I study Pokemon as Professor Oak's aide. This is something different. I study Pokemon as Professor Oak. What? This is something crazy. Gary. What is only struck? I think his grandpa is went out somewhere. Okay, let's see around. Sister. Is it right? Is that right? Oh, look. What is this? Trainer tips. Press start to open the menu. There's something. Okay. Pallet Town. Oh, very good. This is Pallet Town. I think the cartoon called Pokemon is as Pallet Town. Okay. My brother Gary is out to Grandpa's lab. I am searching for Hook. Where is he? It's a big problem, I think. Kanto region. Okay, this area is Kanto region. We should defeat the Kanto region by getting the championship league. So for that first we need to get 8 badges. Let's go. I will fight. Hook. Hey, wait, don't go. It's very unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in the wild grass. You need a prone Pokemon for protection. I know. Here, come with me. Okay, I am going to choose some different kind of Pokemon. Okay. Gramps, I'm fed up with waiting. Gary, let me think. Oh, that's right. I told you to come. Just wait. Here, Stark. There is 3 Pokemon here. Haha. The Pokemon are held inside these Pokeballs. When I was young, I was a serious Pokemon trainer. But now I am old age. No, only you. Can you have one? Hey, Gramps. No fair. What about me? Be patient, Gary. You can have one too. Okay, let's go and take a Pokeball. Okay. Bulbasaur. I see Bulbasaur is a choice. It's very easy Pokemon. So, Stark, do you want to take Bulbasaur? I think I don't want. I'll check all the Pokemons. Squirtle should choice. It is worth. Okay. What's a water Pokemon Squirtle? Oh, I'm taking Charmander. There's a rise of its patience. To Stark, you are climbing the fire Pokemon. It's Charmander. I'm thinking, what can we take? Oh, very serious problem. Okay, I can't take this Charmander because I am fire. Okay, this Pokemon is very quiet. Stark received the Charmander from the Hulk. Super, do you want to give a nickname to this Charmander? Yes, okay. So let's take a name for it. So Charmander is C. So in C, we want to take a name, I think. Okay, let's try a good name. Okay, let's start with C. Something different, I think. Something different. Okay, search for it. Something different. Okay. What can I take? What can I? Something. Okay. I'm choosing Charlie. So it's a very good name, I think. So I'm keeping Charlie. Keep okay. Yes. It's a good name, I think. Very good. Gary received the Squirtle. Oh, okay. Yeah, I received Squirtle. Hey, I am going for journey. Bye bye, Hook. If a random Pokemon appears, your Pokemon and battle with it. Okay, we'll sort out for your side and you should go now for the journey. Right, Stark. Let's check out our Pokemon. Come on, I take on you. You won. Okay. Oh! Stark versus Gary. Okay. Rival Gary would like to battle to you. Okay, obviously. Okay, he is something out of. Okay, go Charlie. Oh. For Pete's sake, okay. You have never had a battle, okay? Have you? No. A Pokemon battle is trying. Okay. I think some instructions. Mr. Oak has given some instructions. Okay, take something, try battling first and see yourself. Okay, let's give Scratch. Charlie, use Scratch. I think Scratch, okay. Usually damage the first key to aim battle. Okay. Tile that. I think it makes some defense fail. Oh my god. Okay. Grow. What's grow? I think some defense or attack fail. Okay, it's good. Lowering the 4 starts will put you at an advantage. Okay. Talbot, again he is using this. I think he's gone mad. Something different. Scratch. Sorry, Scratch, okay. Yes. Super. I like it. Why he is using something different in this time? I don't know. What is it? Something different. Okay, 15. Oh my god. Oh. Yes, it has gone to the red. Tackle. Oh my god, only 9. No. Scratch. Bye-bye, Squirtle. Bye-bye, Gary. You have defeated. I have defeated you. So, bye-bye. 70 XP. What is... Oh, level 6. Charmander, you are now level 6. I didn't expect this. Unbelievable. I put the... Okay, Star get 80 rupees for winning. Excellent. If you win, you earn prize money and battle other trainers and make your Pokemon strong. Very good battle, Gary. Okay, I will make my Pokemon battle tougher. Stark Grams. Smell you later. I have defeated you. This is the first battle and the last battle. Okay. It has to battle it to grow. Okay, I think Hope will come to the another city or town. I don't know. So let's go on. Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you for watching.
Peace, bro. Peace.